All right, so hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be coloring whatever the instructions are on the shares. So this one says color 1/2. So instead of coloring the whole thing, we're only coloring 1/2 or just one side of it. The next one says color 2/4. So because this one is divided into 4 pieces, you can pick whatever 2 you want to color, but we're going to color 2 and 2 of the 4ths. So like this. Okay, the next one is divided into 4, but it says to only color 1/4. So we're just going to color one of these right here. Okay, can you read to me what this one says? Color 2/2. So that's interesting. If it's asking us to color both side 2 of the halves, then we're actually ending up coloring what? Yeah, we're going to color both of these, so we're coloring the whole. Very good. Okay, so the next one says color 3/4. So I'm going to color 1 on this side, then 2 and 3. Very good. We're coloring 3/4. Okay. The next one says color 2/2. So I'm going back to that 2/2 again, but since there's only 2, that means I'm going to color the whole thing. So I'm coloring 2/2 like this. The next one says color 1/2. So I'm just coloring one side like this. And the last one says color 2/4. So since there are 4 pieces, we're going to choose 2 pieces to color. So we're going to color 2/4. Very good. Nice job. Fractions are fun. I actually really enjoy fractions. I think they're really fun to work with. So if I look on the back here, we're just practicing our -10s. So if we're minusing 10, then we just go up one row. So the first one says 14 minus 10. So we're going to go 14 and just go to the row above. So the answer is 4. The next one says 26 minus 10. So let's find 26 and just go up a row to 16. So that's pretty simple, and I feel like you can do the rest of these. And then when you're finished, do what your teacher would have you do next.